10 Remedies to Cure Gout and Gout Pain at Home. Gout is common these days and causes acute pain and swelling in our joints. It is a form of arthritis which is different from rheumatoid and osteoarthritis. Gout can be painful as it leads to tender, swollen, heated or reddened joints. Caused by hyperuricemia or increased uric acid in the body, it can affect several body parts like big toe, ears, wrists, knees, ankles or small joints of the hand. Some other causes of gout are lack of physical activity or exercise, excessive alcohol consumption, high protein intake, high stress levels, and genetics. Getting yourself thoroughly checked for underlying causes and getting a proper treatment is a must when suffering from gout, since it can also be linked to more serious health conditions. Also, trying out these 12 home remedies until you pay a visit to the doctor can help ease out your symptoms and also lessen the excessive uric acid for sure. Before going into the video, we've just printed more copies of what is probably the best plant medicine book ever written. The Lost Book of Herbal Remedies. You'll find 800 plus beneficial plants and remedies in the Lost Book of Herbal Remedies. How to recipes of tinctures, teas, decoctions, essential oils, syrups, salves, poultices, infusions, and many other natural remedies that our grandparents used for centuries. What's also special about this book is that it has between 2 and 4 color pictures for each plant and detailed identification guidelines to make sure you've got the right plant. So get your copy by clicking the first link in our description. Now let's get into today's video. 1. Drink loads of water. Drinking lots of water really helps with gout pain and swelling. The more you will drink water, the more will it flush away excess uric acid from the body. The decrease in uric acid from the body can provide you instant relief from gout-associated symptoms. 2. Pluck those cherries. Cherries have antioxidant properties in them which remove damaging oxidizing radicals from the body and hence come with greater benefits apart from its awesome taste. Also containing anthocyanin, which helps reduce a flare-up from gout and inflammation, makes cherries very useful in gout treatment. Eating 15 to 20 cherries in a day will keep the gout problems at bay. Cherries have antioxidant properties in them which remove damaging oxidizing radicals from the body and hence comes with greater benefits apart from its awesome taste. 3. Take some ginger. Another superb anti-inflammatory agent is ginger. Incorporating a little amount in your day-to-day cooking or drinking half a teaspoon of ginger added to boiling water and cooled are all ways to consume ginger for gout relief. In case there is too much swelling, you can even apply a paste of ginger root to the affected area for about 30 minutes and see the difference. 4. Make an apple cider vinegar drink. One of the simplest home remedies for pain and swelling is using apple cider vinegar, since it is acidic in nature and breaks down the uric acid deposits. A teaspoon added to a glass of water should be drunk 2 times daily for better results. Slowly increasing the amount of apple cider vinegar post it suits you will further help. 5. Go bananas. Bananas, rich in many vitamins and minerals, are a wonder fruit if you stop thinking about the calories present in it. Its richness in potassium especially convert the uric acid crystals into liquid form inside our body, which makes it easier to be rushed out with urine. The vitamin C content in bananas is useful in reducing the pain and swelling from gout. So, have a banana to do away with the gout problem. 6. Have baking soda. If you thought baking soda was only used for baking cakes, then you need to think again. Baking soda can relieve gout pain by reducing the amount of uric acid in the body because it increases the pH levels of body fluids including blood and hence dissolves the uric acid deposits. Half a teaspoon mixed into a glass of water should be drunk up to 3 times a day to get rid of hyperuricemia. To avoid any unnecessary side effects, do consult your nutritionist before trying the above. 7. Eat apples. An apple a day does keep the doctor away. Malic acid in apple helps reduce uric acid in the body. It also aids with swelling and pain reduction from gout and hence is one of the most excellent homely remedies to treat gout. 8. Do not intake sugar, alcohol, soda, and caffeine-containing items. Alcohol dehydrates your body, which makes it more prone to a gout attack. Also, items which contain caffeine like tea, coffee, chocolates, and cocoa are all said to trigger gout attacks, and hence staying away from such items will help. Soda and sugary items are also to be avoided in case you are suffering from gout. Lemon juice neutralizes the excess uric acid in the bloodstream as it can alkalize the body and thus relieves gout pain. 9. Make a lemonade. Indulge in the goodness of lemons by pouring in some lemon juice for yourself but minus the sugar. Lemon juice neutralizes the excess uric acid in the bloodstream as it can alkalize the body and thus relieves gout pain. Squeeze some lemon into a glass of water and drink 3 times a day, preferably after meals, to get the best results. 10. Soak in the goodness of Epsom salts. Epsom salts are rich in magnesium and good for your heart. They are also known to regulate blood pressure. It also removes toxins from the body, soothing the inflamed joints and relaxing the body. Take half cup of Epsom salts and mix it in a bucket of warm water and soak the affected parts in it. Wash with regular water afterward. And don't forget to check out the Lost Book of Herbal Remedies book, where you'll find 800 plus beneficial plants and remedies on how to recipes of tinctures, teas, decoctions, essential oils, syrups, salves, poultices, infusions, and many other natural remedies that our grandparents used for centuries. What's also special about this book is that it has between 2 and 4 color pictures for each plant and detailed identification guidelines to make sure you've got the right plant. So get your copy by clicking the first link in our description.